lips with a lip plunking machine.
Yes, with a machine. Okay, intern ring, Nick. Pull it off. I want.
See how?
Oh my gosh, your lips are huge!
Are they really?
Oh, they really are.
They're huge!
Are they?
Wow, okay, this product works.
I'm freaking out! Oh my god. Guys. This works!
I'm going to review a very interesting product, and it's something called the CandyLipz. It locks up your lips, it promotes the blood circulating to your lips, making them look more plumped. They say that you should drink a lot of water. Oh! See? A close-up. Oh my god. Oh my god, my lips are crazy big.
I want to see if my lips can look like this. Well, I think they made them a little big. That was only 1 minute. I think it worked. Looks pretty good.
The CandyLipz Lip Plumper is a one-of-a-kind. It is a hand-operated lip enhancer powered by an ancient Chinese cupping suction technique that uses negative pressure to enlarge the lips. CandyLipz has a flexible silicone bladder built with a specific firmness, safe for lip enhancement. This element allows users to compress and release the plumper at comfortable levels. Lips are enhanced in compartmentalized fixed volume. CandyLipz has a built-in patented extreme lip shaper system designed to work on 15 anatomical lip zones, including the philtral column and corners of the mouth. You can create two fun looks, single-lobed and double-lobed. The double-lobed look creates a cute dent on the lower lip. The central platform has many functions. It compartmentalizes the upper and lower lips. It is a blocker holder, allowing users the option to work on each lip separately if desired. The central platform is necessary for evening out grooves along the underside of the upper lip, and it keeps the top of the lower lip from overexpanding. The upper chamber has a curvaceous arch which includes the formation of the cupid's bow. The back wall and slit reduce negative pressure strength. These elements slow the enlargement process as the upper lip tends to expand faster than the lower lip. CandyLipz is not a tube. Engineered elements work in concert, guiding the lips to form beautifully and smoothly in each and every lip enhancement session. Fun and easy to use anytime and anywhere.